Oh, hi, are you here for the 30-day Law of Attraction crash course? Well, we're about to get started. Come on in.
Hello, my positive peeps. This is Lori here, your positivity princess. Welcome to the Lori Show. For the entire month of August, as I mentioned before, I will be doing this 30-day Law of Attraction crash course, so please come join us. If you are a fan of the Law of Attraction, or if you're just hearing about it, either way, give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Each video in this crash course will flow into the next video like a big continuous lesson. So it's important that you see all of them. Today is day 10. Click here to start at the beginning. Each video is under 10 minutes to be mindful of your time. We are all busy beavers, I know. So quickly, let me mention that course workbook. It's free and there's a link below so you can download it and follow along for the rest of those 30 days. Now let's get down to the nitty gritty. For a recap of the previous videos so far, please go down to the video description. Okay, in the ask, believe, receive, or believe, feel, receive steps, the first step is ask or believe. You cannot do either of these unless you know what you want with a good level of certainty and clarity. Yesterday, you considered how do you want your life to look, like your ideal life, and you also decided on something that you want to manifest first. It is not always easy to know what you want, but you are going to start making some decisions that lead to your life pieces all falling into place. Today, I've attached a link that has a series of inventories that are little quizzes that will help you to get to know yourself better and hence come to a better realization of what makes you happy. So try these out and see what you can learn about yourself. Comment below, I can't wait to get to know myself better. Comment below, I can't wait to get to know myself better. You're gonna be amazed how amazing you are. Next, I want you to consider these 5 important questions. These are from lifehack.org. These will help you to sort out your desires a little more. So number 1, what are things that I'm most passionate about? It's essential to know what you're passionate about so that you can identify the very thing that drives you and makes you happy. What do you love? What fulfills you? What work do you know that doesn't feel like work? Maybe you enjoy writing, maybe you love working with animals, or maybe you have a knack for photography. The point is, figure out what you love doing, then do more of it. Question number 2, what are my greatest accomplishments in life so far? This is important. Think about your past experience and the things in your life that you're most proud of. How did those accomplishments make you feel? They made you feel really good, right? Why not try to emulate those same experiences and feelings? Continue to do the things that have been most fulfilling for you. Question number 3. If my life had absolutely no limits, what would I choose to have and what would I choose to do? Here's a cool exercise. Think about what you would do if you had no limits, if you were limitless. If you had all the money and time in the world, where would you go? What would you do? Who would you spend time with? These answers can help you to figure out what you want with your life. It doesn't mean you need millions of dollars to be happy though. And by the way, we are limitless. Question number 4, what are my goals in life? Goals are a necessary component to set up for a happy future. So answer these questions. What are my health goals? What are my career goals? What are my family goals? Relationship goals? Once you figure out the answers to each of these, you'll have a much better idea of what you should do with your life. And the last one I'm going to mention today, question number 5, whom do I admire most in the world? Following the path of successful people can set you up for success. Think about the people that you respect and admire most. What are their best qualities? Why do you respect them? What can you learn from them? You're the average of the 5 people that you spend the most time with. So don't waste your time with people who hold you back from achieving your dreams. Anyone not helping you is potentially hurting you. Spend more time with happy, successful, optimistic people, and you'll become one of them. Be that which you want to see. Okay, my most intelligent, beautiful, wonderful, positive students, thank you so much for coming to class today and for watching this. I'm just so happy with you guys. You're doing so well. Tomorrow we shall continue with the next lesson. Don't forget, if you have not already, click that subscribe and that bell icon so that you do not miss the next lesson. Have a most glorious day. I love you, and be positive.